the last things we did in Guatemala was an ambitious 5-day hike through the jungle to find the ancient kingdom of El Mirador.
Only 1,000 people or so do it every year, so we wanted to capture what promises to be a really special experience. We started in the rural town of Carmelita and met our guides.
Welcome to a 5-day long hike into the jungle. Explain.
Yep, so we are heading to El Mirador, one of the furthest north kind of Mayan ruins in Guatemala. And it has a couple of pyramids. One, Danta, is the tallest structure in all of
Central America, right?
All Central America.
Yeah.
So it's a 5-day trek, 2 days there, 1 day at the site, and then 2 days back.
Yep.
We've just started about an hour in to our first day, which is about 17 kilometres, with our lovely group.
It's just Sarah.
It's our group of Sarah from the US, from Colorado.
Woo!
Shout out. And Leslie, our wonderful tour guide.
Yeah.
Hello, Leslie. Our squad of 4 is on their way to... Where's the first place we're going again, Leslie?
El Tintal?
Tintal.
El Tintal. Yeah, and we'll be camping out in the jungle. Very exciting.
Mono araña.
Sí, mono araña.
You think we can't see him?
You're a ridiculous man.
These are our trusty horses, mules, Camarón, Pajarito y Muda. Only 1.5 years old.
We are on top of the Acropolis in El Tintal, and we can see the whole world. That's so cool. Deslan just confirmed that Tikal, which you will have seen in our previous video, when they discovered it, it was like this. So take a look around, and then the archaeologists apparently basically had to just completely restore it, brick by brick. Brick? Stone.
We like how we're able to visit here where it's completely kind of untouched, unrebuilt. You can see it kind of as it was in a much older set of ruins.
Yeah, and then compare it to
Tikal and the other ruins that we've been in Mexico as well. The howler monkeys are amazing.
Look at that big one. Oh my god, huge.
Could sit here all day watching these monkeys.
So much fun. Because I mean, the monkeys are just sitting all day watching us. Look at that guy. He's gone so comfortable.
There is a pool. We made it to our campsite.
Welcome to El Tintal. So, room tour of our lovely tent accommodation at El Tintal. Tent. And we have actually, in fact, requested to have separate tents after lying in there for 1 minute and thinking, nope,
Far too hot.
not happening. There we go. But what we weren't expecting is that, so we've trekked about 20 kilometers to get here, and we're on the edge of an archaeological site called El Tintal, and it's like this massive campsite. We thought we were just going to get a little hut and a, you know, a little stool to sit on. It's so close. It's a kitchen with some lovely food being prepared for us. Hopefully, a big open fire. A lovely archaeology. We've got a lovely archaeological.
We've got a lovely archaeological area.
Archaeological area with Mayan engravings. Mayan language, I believe. A map of the full El Tintal kingdom. There's our camp. We are going to be relaxing here for another couple of hours, and then we are going up on one of the old pyramids to watch the sunset.
Que son pequeñas. Por ejemplo, en esta área, entre esto y aquella pirámide, hay una gran cantidad de estructuras alrededor.
So it is 5 a.m. We're sleeping and waking up with nature, and just look at this. And yes, we actually got these little mini mattresses, so it's actually super comfy. Grabbed some breakfast, and then we've got a long, I think like 25 plus kilometre hike today through a very hot jungle. But we are loving it so far. For those that I know are curious, this is the toilet situation.
Oh, gracias.
How are we feeling today?
Fantastic. Caffeinated now, so I'm happy. Because I did not sleep much.
Because today is the big walk.
Yes.
Yay.
25
Well,
plus kilometres.
24 kilometres. Although yesterday we were meant to do 16 and we did 20. So we can guess that it might be 30.
Prepare for 30.
Prepare for 30.
Perfect.
Be happy if it's 24.
That is what we saw up there.
We are now officially entering the national park of Mirador, because before that was the conservation area of Carmelita. This is now the national park. We're walking on an old sack bay, throwback to episode 3 in Cuba when I was telling you about that.
Right, I think we maybe need to consider getting a guide.
No, we're going to learn about sack bayobs,
There you go.
which are dwellings. They're they are raised pathways going between the dwellings.
And what is a sack bay, to remind everyone?
Sack Bay is old Mayan road. They call them the White Roads. So this is the legitimate, real path that the Mayans used. And for Sack Bay, they basically joined up different areas within the town and also different towns. So this joined up El Tintal and El Mirador.
On we go. So we're a few kilometres away from lunch on the second day. It was nice to have that overnight rest. Feet are feeling much better, but admittedly quite tired. Just all this kind of heavy walking. Luckily it's all quite flat and not really too strenuous. And we get loads of water and everything we need at the camp, so it's all super looked after.
All the snacks that we bought, there were multiple granola bars and lots of apples. Not needed, not necessary, because they do feed you really well. All the meals have been delicious.
And side note, the apples that Steph made us take, she loves apples, they're all in my backpack, so nice and heavy.
This is El Jabali, and you can see all the facilities you've got. There's toilets, a little rest area, and a little lunch preparation. And a monkey water feeding station. Make yourself at home.
Mike is trying to get close. to the beautiful turkey. I think the bright shirt is not helping. I'm literally running away. You got it?
So, had lunch, and now we're just going to head back out. 9 kilometers left till we get to our final camp. Easy.
Easy. Apart from my feet hurt, but easy.
Let's go.
Del suelo hasta caer al mismo. Sí.
Oh no, that's scary.
Wow.
Centrar.
See?
Sí.
Ah,
There you go.
not sure I'm gonna enjoy this.
Oh, there's a big cockroach.
Yummy.
It's tiny.
Wow, and a massive spider. That is the biggest cockroach I've ever seen in my life. Sí, cucaracha muy grande. Y una araña grande. So weird. Wow, that is a big old guy. I'm not gonna say anything now, but there's one there. How you doing?
It's very hot inside there.
Let me just try and focus on that beautiful, beautiful sweat. Wow.
As we were saying though, inside here, the Mayans would just walk through this without bending down.
It's absolutely crazy.
And tell them about your fun fact you just learned about.
Oh, yeah, so. Right. Let me just come. Hello? So we finally found out because we were like, why the mines are so small. They were very, very short. But the stairs to go up all the temples are incredibly steep and massive. And then our lovely guide explained it's because they wanted, because it's like the temples were always a religious, important structure, the people who are going up, they would have their head bowed down and like respect.
And also there are so many of these places that we haven't been able to go into, so it's really cool to find this place in the middle of nowhere and we can just actually explore properly. Albeit there are loads of spiders and stuff in there, and dead mice. Cheers, guys. Salud.
Salud.
That's basically the big trek done.
Yeah.
Halfway at least before we go back. Nice.
Miguel aquí
Sí.
y Sara allá.
Perfecto.
Room tour.
Wow, what a room.
Wow, it's the same sheet as last time. Oh, this is actually my bed. How resourceful of them.
So here's our bedrooms. A bit more of a room tour. We've got the toilets over there. There are some showers here. I think we should pay 10 quetzales for you can use. Now it's hammock time.
It's very relaxing here.
It's so relaxing and it's great because we are only 3 of very few people here. They were saying that in the peak season before COVID, before la pandemia, they could get up to like 30 groups of 30 coming here with like 25 mules. It sounds absolutely manic. So we're very lucky that as a result of the pandemic we were able to come here and have a very nice private time.
So we are going to attempt to have a shower. It's a jungle shower, which involves, I believe, a bucket. Ooh.
A cool shower.
So I think it's rainwater that they gather. We have a little hand bucket.
Fantastic. Well,
And a little soap that I stole from our previous hostel.
I will leave you to test out the facilities. See you later.
Bye.
Bye bye. Enjoy. How's it?
Yeah, really fun.
Yeah.
It was much colder water than I expected. So it's cooled me down nicely and, you know, just lots of soap.
With a background of howler monkeys, we're off for another sunset, this time at El Tigre, which is only 5 minutes. I was going to say 5 minutos. 5 minutes. It's 5 minutos from our encampamento.
Y a la derecha. La derecha. Izquierda. Izquierda. Tengo problemas.
Yeah, I love seeing what it looks like kids. We made it to El Tigre, friends. Ready for an amazing sunset. They've even got the infrastructure here with a lovely bench. And over there, in the distance, if you can see, the main event tomorrow, La Danta, the largest temple in all of Mesoamerica.
I was thinking, oh wow, I put queso in my coffee earlier and she watched me and didn't say anything.
Había una como este tamaño, Barba María. Voy a moverme hacia allá un poquito. Gracias.
So I spotted a snake and we actually don't know what it's called. Me standing my flip-flops where the snake was.
No, we're not.
The first thing they said was,
Oh yeah, it's peligrosa.
Yeah, very dangerous.
very dangerous, very poisonous. The name is Nauiaka and we're going to try and find out what it is in English at some point.
Esta está la pobrecita. Eso está. No la logro. Cuidado, sí, se avienta. Sí, cabal. Y esa pues lo manda al hoyo aún. Ah, esa sí, es un animal muy venenoso.
Adiós, amigo. Buenas noches.
How did everyone sleep?
A good morning at El Tigre again, just a beautiful sunrise. I didn't actually see the sun because of the clouds, but it was very pretty. Just going to get ready now, and then we're going to finally explore El Mirador and complete this part of the hike. The remaining 2 days will then just be trekking back, so we'll probably film all up to seeing La Danta.
So get ready. So we are here at the Centro de Visitantes. Here is El Tigre, and now we're going to go all the way along here to what remains of La Danta.
Yo vivo en pasado.
It's a very funny conversation going on about Spanish conjugation.
Yo viví. Yo viví. En plural, vivían.
Ellos vivían.
Están vivían.
Yeah, something we haven't probably mentioned yet. This tour and all the information we're getting about everything about logistics and about the Mayan civilization is entirely in Spanish. Our guide does not speak any English. So, but after 2 months in Central America, we feel
Slightly better.
Slightly better.
But not that much better.
We're getting, 1 out of 5.
De aquí, llena.
Tour guide Steph, back of the bang.
Vives.
Oh no. Okay, so it actually just blows our mind how grand of a scale the Mayans built their stuff. So we're on an old sakbe, which is like a Mayan road linking 2 different towns, and at the moment it's this big, and that's what I've always assumed they were. But they were actually 30 to 40 meters wide. It's like a motorway.
And raised.
And raised up. So the original ground was 5 meters down, and the Mayans built them raised up so that they were, I don't know why they raised them, but they did. And then in this El Mirador city, there were 1 million people living here during the time of its glory.
Well, we've officially made it to the top, and wow, another incredible view. So, we are officially at the top of La Danta, tallest and largest structure in all of Central America. So check this view out. And there's that lovely tree that we saw all the way from over there, El Tigre. Incredible. So we've come back from La Danta, we've had lunch,
We've then gone back out to El Mirador and seen all the rest of it, which has been really, really cool.
We were told a really long story in Spanish about, I think, a father and a son and something about the underworld.
Steph said "see" many times to our guide, and I frankly just sat there and
I was trying to, I was like trying
understood
to
some
follow.
words.
But no, we had a really lovely afternoon.
We're probably going to put the camera down now for the rest of our trip. I'll film a few things and probably put some sort of like montage at the end now.
Yeah.
But we're going to put the camera down, enjoy the sunset, enjoy dinner tonight, and then we're going to begin the arduous walk back over
50
the
kilometres back.
next couple of days. Which I'll put a few clips in for. But it's been an amazing experience, and our feet are pretty tired.
Yeah, but it hasn't been as crazy difficult as we expected, but it's been like a really special experience. Very unique. Apparently only about 1,000 people do this a year.
So yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh no, I was doing my call.
Bye.
No, bye.
Bye. La 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 Danta. La 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 Danta. Y el Tigre, los dos más grandes templos en Centroamérica. La la Danta.